Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, in this video, I'll be telling you how to prepare flower toile of Portulaca or moss rose. This is the moss rose you can see. These are succulent plants. You can see several colors of varieties are found, and around 10 to 12 color varieties are there. So you can make flower tower in any of the plants, and they are the easiest to make. Just to take one container, plastic container, any oil container, anything, and make holes here, and with the help of screwdriver just make it red hot in flames and oven, and just make holes here and holes at the bottom also, because the drainage water system should be there properly. If you have small bottle, you can do this in small bottle also. This is the Maja cold drinks bottle, and there are holes at the bottom also for draining out water properly. And now I am showing you what you have to take. If you are taking big one, then you have to put one pipe, plastic pipe. These are some electric wire pipe, and make holes at the sides also, because here you will be watering the plants, and here the holes are essential. And soil mix, I am telling you, 80% garden soil and 20% compost is the best. If you want, you can change a little bit. Compost means vermi compost or cow dung compost. Now mix it properly. After proper mixing up of this all these two items, now put this small amount of soil mix here at the bottom part, and after putting the soil here and pouring the soil here, I am showing you what next you have to do. And just insert the cuttings, just collect the cuttings of this portulaca earlier and beforehand. You have to break the portulaca cuttings and insert the cutting inside. The lower portion should be inside. The inside should be at least 1 inch should be inside the container. Just see how I am breaking it and insert in the bottle, around 1 inch to 1.5 inch inside. And if you want, you can make small pieces also, and whatever the small pieces should be there, at least 3 to 4 inches, 1 or 2 inch inside, and 2 inch or 3 inch outside, and that will make the all the arrangements. And you see I am inserting all the cuttings here, and this is the it is very thick, then it would be nice. So now I have inserted almost all the cuttings I have collected. Now this is the portion, and now I am showing you how to prepare the tower here. So just see, this is the pipe here, and side holes are there. In you have to insert this bottle inside at the center of this bottle, and here the side bottles side holes are here. So whenever you water them, the water may come out from the sides, so you have to pour the water from this pipe. Here are the holes, and from the holes the water would be properly, the water would go to the every each and every plant. So this is the system. Now I am showing you, you have to make 3 layers of cuttings here. One should be around 8 to 10 inch cutting here. This is the first layer I am inserting in this here. And after proper placing all this 8 to 10 inch cutting here, I'll be put a rubber band here. So see how I am making 3 layers, just like lucky bamboo layers here, 3 to 5 layers you can see. And now I am putting one rubber band here, and after rubber band, this is the first layer I have made here. And the next layer I will put around 2 inch smaller size. So see how I am putting it here, and around 2 inch lower. So if first one is around 8 inch, the next one would be around 6 inch layer. So this is the second layer I have making here. So all the idea is you have to make 3 layers or 4 layers or 5 layers, whatever you need, and every layer you put one girder, so fixing properly and inserting properly. Now third layer I am putting here. So this is the third layer I am put. So this is the system of or making all layers, 3 layer, 4 layer, 5 layer, whatever the layer. But in every time you have to make 2 inch shorter length of this layer. This is the third layer almost complete. Now put a rubber band here, just like earlier one. So inserting the rubber band here, and they will keep these plants as such here. And this is the rubber band I have put properly, and this is ready. If you want, you can put it at the center of this bottle. So this is the way how I fix it at the center. and once it is properly placed at the center, I am now putting soil inside, pouring soil mix here, and I will pour soil properly fully, and this is now complete. And now the branches will longer the branches, and you again bind with this rubber band. So 2 to 3 layers and maximum branches will come out. And now I'm putting how to water it. This is the system how to water it. This is one system. The water may come out from the side because lots of side holes are here, so you can put the water at the top, because I have put some pipe here. From the side branches your water will come out, and here the draining water is draining out from that bottom. So this is the system of watering this flower tower. You put this in semi-shade for 2 to 3 days. Now you can put in full sunlight. And if you have small bottle, that is also you can do most easily. A small bottle, any of this drinking water bottle or any cold drinks bottle, anything you have, you can use this one also. This is the Maja bottle, small bottle of Maja. So if you have some Bisleri water bottle, anything, you can use one. And here I am putting all these cuttings here. And once you break the top portion, whenever the lots of branches will comes out, and all the buds will come, and many flowers will bloom, that will look nicely, beautiful look. So here is it is complete now. And now I am pouring soil inside, and make sure around top portion, so it should be 1 inch vacant here at the top portion, because you have to time you have to water the bottle here properly for growth of the plants. And this is now complete. And now time to water them. I am showing you how to water them. Before that, you have to break the top portion, and so I have to allow them to branch out more. The more branches will come out, and more the buds will come, and there will be lots of flower here. So now I am this is one complete, and I am showing you how to water them. The first method is you can water it from the top hole, and you have to pour water here. This is one method how you can water it. And the better method is I am showing you. If you have some bucket and water full, just immerse this whole bottle here around 5 to 10 inch, and all the water they will soak, and that will be nice. This is the better method of watering this flower tower, and they will look nice. One thing I tell you, you have to keep this plant in full sunlight around 6 to 8 inch 8 hours sunlight is necessary for flowering it. If you put in semi shade area, they may plants will grow, but the flower will not come. So you have to put in full sunlight. This is the whole method of. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. So nice of you.